Hello my beautiful braiders and welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited for today's video because we're gonna do a review of my brand new hair by MORESOO Hair. So MORESOO Hair reached out to me recently and they were super kind to send me 2 sets of their hair extensions, and I can't wait to put these extensions to the test and give you my honest opinion about that product. So let's begin. Okay, so the hair will arrive in this gorgeous package and the shipping was really fast. They ship worldwide, so make sure to check their website. I will make sure to include everything in the description box down below. Okay, so besides hair extensions, I saw that they offer hair toppers as well on their website, and all of their products are made from real human hair, which means that you could style them as you would your own natural hair. You can braid them, you can curl them, you can straighten them. So I wasn't sure about which shade to choose from their website because they offer extensive variety of shades, and I chose 2 shades. So I can't wait to see if those 2 shades blend well with my hair. I chose the shade 4/10/16 and the other shade is 8/22/8. So let's see what's in the package first. Okay, so here are the 2 sets side by side. So this one is a bit lighter and this is a bit darker. I think that this one will match perfectly with my own hair, but we'll see in a minute. And this is the shade 8/22/8 and this is the shade 4/10/16. They are both 22 inches. And both sets of hair extensions have 7 pieces inside. I will try the darker shade first and then the lighter shade. So let's begin. Oh my God, the hair is so soft, so silky. And I think that it's a perfect match for my hair color. The hair is so long, like I said, this is 22 inches and they are 120 grams. Okay, so I cannot believe how well these hair extensions blend with my own natural hair. You cannot tell where my hair ends and where the extensions begin. Like, look at that. So MORESOO Hair, you've done an amazing job here, and I think that the quality is amazing. The hair is so soft and silky, but I do think that the hair is a bit on the thinner side, and you will probably get away with 1 set if you have thinner hair like mine, but if you have thicker hair, then you would probably need 2 sets of hair extensions, so keep that in mind. Okay, so let's start applying the second set of hair extensions. I cannot believe how well both shades blend with my own natural hair. And what I like to do next is to mix both sets of hair extensions and see the final result. So this is what it looks like when the two sets of hair extensions are installed. It's so much hair and the blend is just amazing. I am impressed with the hair quality. I highly recommend Moresoo. I will leave everything in the description box down below if you guys go check them out. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and follow me on all social media. Please let me know what type of videos would you like to see more on my channel. Let me know if you have tried Moresoo so far. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.